No. So 15, look for harp in the graphic arts, painting, movie, cartoon.
Yes.
I just remember, but I think that he is not very famous in outside of France. But we have anime. It was Rémi sans frontières. Do you remember
Sans
this?
famille.
Rémi sans frontières.
Sans famille.
Sans famille, sans famille. Oui, Rémi sans famille.
He has a harp, and this is a book.
Yeah.
This is a French book, and this is a good book for children, really.
Yeah.
And he's playing harp, yes.
He's playing harp. And
with his dog, Cappy.
Yeah, it's very old things.
Yes.
And I just remember, I think, I don't remember if it was a series or a movie.
No, it's not a movie, it's a series, an animated series.
About Gaston Phébus with Jean-Claude Drouot. So it was a black and white, and in this black and white movie or series, there is a Celtic harp. And I think it's the first time I see in France a person that play a Celtic harp. I think it was the one of the first troubadour of Camac.
Oh, wasn't know that.
Yeah.
And if you want some other stuff in video, you can see Harpo Marx who's playing harp, and greatly.
Yeah. And Outlander too. In
yes.
Outlander, and I think he's he's a real harpist, and it isn't the case in many times, but in Outlander he's a real harpist. Sometimes it's fake, but
and the music of Barry Lyndon with the Chieftains.
Yes, exactly. I love the French versions. So 16th, learn fun techniques, like what I said, that is like today I just post in French version the tutorial of Samba for Izumo, that I show some fun techniques to have some tricks effect. But you can find on YouTube some people that show different techniques with
yes, with paper, with a roll of glass.
Arche of violin, yes. I use that, and it can be a little thing that you can use for your music, for example. Rearrange your workspace to make things more fluid and accessible. We discover the pleasure of associating and playing, even for 5 minutes. In English channel, I think that I made a video about that too, because when I just arrived in Brest, I make my own space, and I have a video about that, and you have the same
something to say. Yes, just be it's important to pay attention to light. Ready?
Yeah, and to have always all your stuff, and to say, oh, I have 5 minutes. Okay, I sit and just play just 5 minutes, and not to say, oh, I must take this, I must take this. I know we must tune sometimes because it can be hard, but just yes, very fluid things to just make a pause, take a pause, and just play.
And I can tell something. Do like have do. You have the harp and nothing else.
Yeah.
You don't have, like I have behind me, plenty of books, of figurines, of no, my harp is not here. It's in another room.
So 18, try out harps, chops, or harp maker during a workshop in order to discover other models, other sounds, and perhaps evolve in one's own techniques. For example, playing on gut string solo, wants to learn to manage the pressure on the touch compared to softer nylon strings. And I put these things because we talk about with Claire about that I think more we progress in your own adventure, more you see that you can evolve in your thinking and your sometimes some people say, oh, this is my harp, but I think you can grow and change your mind and say,
Yes.
first you have a fall in love with a certain model and harp, and don't how to say that?
Yeah, you were liking some books, some films when you are 20, but when you are 40 or 60, you don't like the same. It's
Yeah.
exactly the same for harp.
Yeah.
When you begin harp, you like some sound, some strings, and after maybe you like always the same thing, but maybe you can change and accept that you can change.
And it's not a fall.
No, it's not a fall. It's just an evolution.
Yeah, we talk about that with Claire, that maybe on the September, October, we will make a video about that, to say that we have a harp and now we want to change because we evolve, and it's not a fall, but we own journey about that.
And shows, fair are a great place to test other things.
Yes, and it's a good opportunity to
yes,
test a different model and to say, oh, I don't expect that. And yeah.
In July, you have in Brittany a show in the city of Dinan, with many luthiers and harp makers. And so you can go, you can test, you can speak with people. And it's important to speak with people. And you can hear in the street of the city people who are playing. And it's important also to hear. So sometimes, personally, there's some harps I really like the shape.
Yeah.
But the sound.
No.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
And it can be quite different if you play this model in outside and in at home.
Yeah.
And it depends of a lot of many detail about that. So yes, it's a good opportunity if you meet a harpist and you see the model to ask some question about that, and why not to try if he allowed that, and to see what is the model. And we talk about that, about the journey that we made in French. We have 6 or 7 video, and we talk about the different harp makers that you can find in France and outside of Europe. And it was very interesting because people don't expect that so many different harp makers.
So many. Personally, I was knowing there's some, but when we do this work together, wow, too many.
So 19, sorting and organizing your score in the binder or not book mentioned above. It can be to take time and to care, okay, what I have. And we talk about that in the French version, that you can numerize some.
Yes, scan. You just scan your sheets, and so you can
make
scroll
a PDF.
Yes,
for example, and some hold you can destroy or reuse on your print,
or give to or give to your friends,
for example. Because here is always it's too changing. Sometimes you love Celtic and now you don't love, and you can sell that. You can give some example, or you can it's an evolution. And I think in summer is a good opportunity to think about what do you want to play on the next September what want to go.
To make a sort of cleaning.
Yeah. So 20, share your music with others, even amateurs, create a magical moment for the young and old. It's always appreciated for the birthday of anniversary. You can get a good share for a private concert and you have the smile of the whole family. Even you make a mistake, the joy is everywhere. I do my job, yes. And yes, it can be a good moment to share your music. Even you say, "Oh, I'm a beginner." For the inside the eyes of your family, it's always good. Even you make mistakes.
Yes, nice. Just be sure you have a benevolent audience.
Yeah.
That's
you said that in
the point
too.
That's the point. Don't say yes if your mother wants your old aunt who is an old witch want to come. No. Just great people. Only great people. And also you can let the nephew or the little one who is impressed by the harp say, "Oh, can I touch?" Yes, you can touch. And it's always a great moment to let them touch the strings and let them play and say, "Yes, you can." And that's maybe a new vocation.
Exactly, it can be a
and the pleasure for you, for the child, and for the parents of the child.
And if you have a grandpa auntie, you can say, as Gandalf, you do not pass.
Yes, you shall not pass. Like Gandalf. No.
Yeah, exactly.
And by the way, if you have an old grandpa or grandma in a medicalized house, you can take your harp and play for her or him and the other residents. And they're really happy.
I did it, and it's very emotional. I think I remember I play in this kind of home, and I played just valse, and the people are some tears because they don't know the valse, this particular valse, but they just remember your past
and good old times.
Yeah, the good old times, and
maybe you can play some other little songs like in French, aux Champs-Élysées, or some older songs.
Yeah, very best.
They like.
Yeah, exactly. So 21, join a music group or create your amateur group to have regularity in the work and a goal, even amateur. This can be. I think that it for my case, if I just play again in a concert, it was the good things to have some partner, because now play for solists, I have not enough motivations.
Yes.
But if I find one day a guitarist or another people that want just to play like this, I have more motivated to play. But in solist now, in my case, but it can be a good things to play with a different musician, even they are beginner too, because you have the same level.
Yes. So it you are listening to play with others, to play with hear other, and to coordinate with other, and it's good way.
And most of the famous band begin like that, the Beatles and the Rolling Stones, and in the beginning they are not professional, but they are young and just play in the garage.
Yes.
That's why the garage.
You can make a garage band.
And it was, yes.
Many big groups or rich enterprise like Apple or Garage is a good.
I think that the difference now that some bands are few. For example, I think about Police, and when you listen Police, it's very strange, because when you listening the music of Police, you can say, oh, they are very they are not only three people, but
yes,
the sound is very deep and profound, and you see there are more of the musician, and the Rolling Stone and this kind of group have there was very good musicians. I consider that the band of the now is not as so professional. You understand what I mean?
Yes, I understand. I will say this is because to the acceleration of time. We don't take time to coordinate.
You
actually.
are right. And with the computer too, you can change a lot of things. And
yes,
I see that because when I record one of my CDs, I see that sound engineers that can change a lot of things, and we lost this life.
Yes, the grain. I don't know if it's a good word,
but this can be reverse. This can be we very
too clear, too
cold.
Yes.
Yeah. So 22, you can learn another instruments or knowledge by take a listen in music theory, for example, or piano or instrument like ukulele or percussion, and you have a special instrument we talk about.
Yes, I can see you.
Oh yeah.
Just something. It's like it's not a dulcimer, not a ukulele.
Yeah.
Kind of a mix. It's Sigel. Sigel.
Sigel, yeah.
And the name is Merlin, and it's diatonic. Yeah. And it's really good sound for less than $100 $100 approximately. Less.
And it's from Canadian, you said?
Yes, it's a Canadian brand.
Canadian shop, yes.
Yes, really good.
I put a link. You give me a link, and I put in
yes, sure
box.
Sure. And it's well, so really you can buy it on the shop in Canada, but you can for European peoples, Woodbrass sell it.
Thomann, maybe Thomann.
Maybe Thomann. I'm not sure, but Woodbrass, I'm sure.
We said that because you can say, well, but why? What is a goal? I just want to play harp. We have a harpist. She was because she's died, and his name was Catherine Delavier. And Catherine Delavier, in the her journey, they learned guitar and fingerings guitar because they work on the Irish styles, and because they learn the guitar and with the nails, they find the agility of these things on the harp too. And this can be another opening minds to say just learn the basic and to see what is the difference. And I said that because why I discover and share the Circle of Five. This is not about the harpist, the Circle of Five, it's about the guitarist. It's to find very quickly the chord guitars. And I work on it. And I said for the people that always to see the different dimensions of the music, because if you cross your knowledge, you can find different things and you can maybe understand more better.
Yes, it's like the learning of language. It's a neurologic thing. When you learn different language, I'm French, if I learn Italian, English, Japanese, my mind don't work same as in French in other language.
Yeah.
So I develop yeah. other faculties. Yeah. And then when I speak in French, I have more capacity of empathy with other people because my brain is working differently because I learn other language. This is neurologic studies.
Yeah, and that's why in France we try to defend some native language like Breton for example,
Basque, Occitan.
Yes, because some people say, but if you learn this this is the same fight about the Irish.
Yes,
and the study proves that if the child learn another language and not the English but the native, it can develop more the brains.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So for the 23, I see that my
and just please, yes? The other good thing with another instrument, this is if you take a recorder of this thing, it's light and you can take it in holidays. It's easier maybe than your harp.
You have a AV harp. This can be good to take this instrument too.
Yes. Yeah. Sorry for that.
So 23 is your ID. What is your first ID for you?
Try to discover another country of music, other sounds, maybe Russian, Paraguayan, maybe something Japan. You don't know.
Yes, Japan, for example.
Japan, and after when you discover a new style, simply you're dreaming of going in Iceland or Samoa, Bali, just try to hear, to listen the songs of the country, then take one song very simple, like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, something as simple as this, folk song, and then try to play it with the right hand.
On your harp. We talk
with
about
your harp. Yes, with your harp. And then try to do some ornamentation, something with the left hand.
Yeah.
And try to just create your own tune.
Yeah, just Bahir, for example.
Yes.
Bahir. And the 24, what is your another ideas?
Another ideas?
Yeah. Yes, it's true.
Maybe try to hear some other music, not harp, but other style of music. If you're, I don't know if you like rock or electro, try classical or folk of another country. Try to open your ears.
Exactly, and sometimes you can find a very beautiful how to say that. For example, in every morning I'm walking with my dog and I listening jazz. And in jazz, we have some harpists that play jazz, and even on a Celtic harp too.
Yes, and I like it.
Very different Celtic harp. It's not the traditional Celtic harp, but it's a chromatic Celtic harp. And it can be said, oh, okay, I can play harp on this kind of styles, and why not?
Yes, jazz and harp and Celtic harp, that's beautiful. I like it, but it's
Bossa Nova. I listen a lot of Bossa Nova. I say, I would like to play Bossa Nova, but
yeah.
I think it's more easier on a chromatic harp than on a lever harp. I think so, but I can find a harpist that play like it. Why not?
Why not?
So finally, 25. I put this idea because I think it's important to say that. I just actually because, as I said in the beginning of the video, we are always pushed to make new content, and sometimes we are kind of a big breakdown. And this 25 is think about to turning the page. What it means is stop playing the harp for a while, or maybe permanently, because it's never a failure. And it's very important to say that because I'm at the point of my journey. I don't play harp every day. I don't play harp every week. Sometimes it depends what I feel, because I'm not a solist now. I just teaching, and it's okay. And I see in this morning a video, the video of Caroline Nobel, is a Dutch harpist, and they said in the video that she was enough about that, this kind of shape, to have this beautiful harpist that play and is with unicorn and is always positive. And she'd say, okay, I don't like that. If I want to play,
I'm fed up with that.
And sometimes it's not a failure to say, okay, you just are beginner or enough. I see a video about a breakdown of harpists that have enough to learn every week more and more tune. And taboo, I don't know if it's in English was this word, is taboo to talk about that. And sometimes just a break or permanently break is not a failure. Or what you think about that?
Yes, maybe you have done the entire cycle, you don't have enough interest with this instrument, and it's not a problem. Sometimes when you are doing un métier, a job, sometimes you change your job. You have done all you can do with that job, and so you go to another. Same with the instrument. Maybe harp it's okay for you, and you need another thing.
Yes,
and maybe in 10 years, harp is again.
I would like to stop this video with the positive things. The positive experience that is 18 ago. 18 ago, yet?
18 years ago, yes.
Yes, I have students, and she was pregnant, and she take some lesson and stop. And now I have this child, and this little girl, she is 8, and she wants to play harp. So this mother begin the harp, and because she have a baby and some of different things, she stops the harp, but she keeps the harp at home. And now this afternoon, I have this daughter, and this is her life. And voilà,
is happy to learn.
Yeah, exactly. And I think it's important to say that because we are now in, I don't know, comment je pourrais dire ça? I think that, yes, it's not a failure to change and to move on and I'm prepared for that, for example, to say, okay, one day I stop. Maybe.
Yes, it's not dramatic.
Change my job. And it's not a failure, but I know that is a very good, there are pressure in Instagram and YouTube to say all the people that all place have a different project, a concert, etc. And if you are just amateur, it's okay. But if you are professional, I can understand that it can be hard. So we give you 25 ideas for the summer, good, positive and sometimes negative, but it can be always a good enrichment for your life, I think.
Yes, and remember, it's holidays. Have fun.
Yes, have fun. So thank you, Claire. And
thank you.
Maybe on the next video in English.
Yes.
Thank you. So thumb up. You can give them comments. It's always a pleasure to answer. And see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.